All right, gonna do just a drive up the interstates here. Get up. Little ducks up here. Let's see what FSD does with the ducks in the road. Okay, it's stopping. I assume it sees them. I could not let it run them over. Could I? Oh. It wasn't going to run them over. Well, it's been really close, let me put it that way. I got to tighten up my camera. I'm going to count that as a disengagement, though. All right. I'll get us back out this way. All right, FSD now. Going pretty slow here. Have a car behind us, but they're in a different lane. We're going to see how we do merging onto this limited access highway here called Norwood Lateral. I got to give it some gas. We got people coming behind us. Get some go juice. Okay, there it goes. There were people waiting to follow behind us, so I wanted to get on out there. Now we should, oh my gosh, we gotta go. God, the merging behavior sometimes just not good. Had this car coming in the lane, that GMC right there, and as you can tell, they were in a hurry. FSD now. Cincinnati is known for having entrance ramps onto interstates around town that enter on the high-speed lane. I think there's 6 of them or something. So going 55 into this is not a good idea. So I'm going to get us up to at least low 60s here, so we won't have too much trouble. This time of night, there's not many people. I'm going to put the blinker on, try to get the move over more quickly. Nicely done. I did have to intervene with the speed there. Unclear what we're going to do with that in the future. Okay, saw that speed limit sign start slowing down again. Nice lanes change. Okay, I don't know why it was started slowing down. The earlier versions had lots of trouble with this. It's been much better except for the merging behavior at the end. I'm going to do that. Call that intervention back there. Okay, now I'd like to see it signaling here, because especially now we got cars over there, so I'm going to signal and give it a little go juice. One thing FSD does not do is to work with the merging traffic. A human driver will speed up and slow down, at least polite ones will, to make the merging seamless. The FSD will be very good at doing that as well, but it's not today. Green light so we can roll this, and here it thinks the speed limit is 25 miles an hour, and I think it's probably right. So it's kind of pulled in front of this car here, even with me speeding it up to 35, which I hadn't done by the time it was trying to pull in front of that car. And now we have the left turn out of the chicken lane. And this has been historically really pretty. That's going too fast. It should be over there in the turn lane. Okay. So it's, yeah. Luckily I have no traffic today, but it didn't really get into the turn lane. Here we have a car to deal with. Let's see how it deals with this. Oh my gosh, it made me a little nervous there. Getting close to that car on the right. Here, of course, I would like to see it get all the way over to the curb at the stop sign. We're going to let it roll since there's no traffic. It's 25 miles per hour, but generally you don't want to be going that fast. So we will end it here.